The GSF extension identifies a GIMP Script-Fu file containing automation scripts for the GIMP image editing application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you create or troubleshoot these GIMP automation scripts. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky GSF file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. GSF files are Script-Fu script files for GIMP containing scheme-based automation commands for image processing operations. They enable batch processing custom effects and automated workflows within GIMP's scripting environment using a TinyScheme dialect. GIMP Script-Fu GSF files use TinyScheme syntax with GIMP-specific procedure calls for image manipulation, including layer operations, filter applications, color adjustments, and batch processing. They are registered as menu items or run from the Script-Fu console. The source application for GSF is frequently listed as GIMP from the GIMP development team. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows shows the script's text, yet running it properly requires the correct interpreter. To ensure success, right-click the GSF file and select Open With. Run the file through GIMP if it is installed. If it's not present, choose another application. Sometimes older programs work best. If you still cannot open your GSF file, that is okay. If you're still with me, that GSF file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, running scripts. Open GIMP and navigate to Filters, then Script-Fu, then Console. Use the console to load and execute GSF scripts. Alternatively, place GSF files in GIMP's scripts directory, typically choose Config, GIMP scripts, and restart GIMP. Scripts appear in the application menus. Next, writing scripts. Create GSF files using any text editor. Write TinyScheme code calling GIMP procedures using the GIMP function prefix. Use Script-Fu console to test individual commands interactively. Register scripts with Script-Fu register to add menu entries with parameter dialogues. Finally, installing scripts. Copy GSF files to GIMP's scripts directory. On Windows, check C, Users, user names app.a, roaming GIMP scripts-i. On Linux, use grat config, GIMP scripts. Restart GIMP or use filters, then Script-Fu, then refresh scripts to load new scripts without restarting. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.